Hello everyone, this is your Mad Yogi Aileen. This Espresso Flow is quite strong. Yeah, I call it my lunge ladder. Now, just a quick workshop note with lunges. Your feet can be as wide as I'm showing you right now, yeah, as wide or as narrow as your balance will give you. The depth of your pose can also be as short like this, yeah, or as deep as you want, and always adjust during the flow. The important thing, never, 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 ever, ever, ever bring your knee in front this way in lunges, because all of this mass, this weight, this inertia is pushing into your patella, and that's painful for the knee actually. So let's not never do that. So come to the top of your mat. Roll your shoulders first. Yeah? Let's just open up the body. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Wave yourself up. Shallow or deep back bend. Squeeze up. Keep your arms lifted. Left leg curls up. Bring it towards the back and step. Get your lunge distances. Get your lunge alignment. So we are first in a high lunge. From here, sink lower, back of your left hand on the outside of your right leg. Your right arm is reaching to the back. You're sinking lower in a mid-height lunge. Release to center. Reach down. We are in a low lunge or in a runner's lunge. Yeah? From here, hands flat. Your right leg, your front leg walks out to the edge of your mat to accommodate your shoulders. So your hands and your front foot are in a single line, or they're, in that single line. That is what I said. Rock forward and back. I call this my chameleon rock. If you've ever seen a chameleon walk on a branch, yeah, we're trying to mimic that action. Rocking forward and back. From here, steady at the center or middle. Back knee down, nice and slow. Untuck your toes. Right hand on your right knee. Push yourself up. Backs of the hands together, lengthening up. Left arm reaches towards the back. You're pushing yourself towards the back. Hand on your heel. You're welcome to use blocks if you want to. Right arm up in a reversed, just reversing that lunge. I gave this pose a name. I just can't remember right now. Wave yourself forward and down. Support yourself. Back toes tuck under. Lift yourself up and step up. Forward fold. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together, lifting up. Keep your arms lifted. Right leg curls up. Step it back. Get your lunge alignment, your lunge distances. High lunge. Sink lower, closed belly, mid-height lunge. Release. Come low in a low lunge, runner's lunge. Allow your back leg to slide farther back. Adjust your hands, hands flat, in line with your front foot, and your front foot walks out to the side. This accommodates the shoulders. And come into your chameleon rock. Never mind if it looks odd or silly. It lengthens out the body nicely. From here, coming back to center, back knee down, untuck your toes, support yourself up, Lengthen the front of the body here, and as you push yourself back, your right hand reaches for your right heel. Extend your left arm vertical or diagonal, up to you. Circle yourself forward and down. Once again, back toes tuck under, knee up, and step up. Back to our forward fold. Lifting up. Circle your arms down. Mountain pose. Hands on your body. Have a moment in stillness here. Breathe. Flutter your eyes open. Decide if you want to replay this or let's get on with the rest of our day. I'll see you in the next class. Bye!